Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark Roden, and today we're doing something awesome. I'm super excited, I cannot wait. You can probably guess by the title, but we're going to pick up a hood for my 350Z. Now, this is not going to be the video of me actually mounting the hood and getting the hood on, because the hood does have a latching problem, so I'm going to have to fix that. But it is just a video of me and my friend John, who you guys probably saw go and actually pick up the Z with me. And we're gonna go pick it up. I can't wait. And it's black. It matches the rest of the car. It matches like all like my car is black, obviously, and so the hood being black matches the rest of my car. It just makes me so happy. And it's like it's just a stock hood, but it's awesome. I got a really good deal on it. It's $100 for this hood, so we're going to pick it up. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm finally gonna have a matching color hood that doesn't look like doo-doo water on a hot Sunday afternoon. I can't wait. It's gonna look awesome. I also have some other little surprises coming for the 350Z pretty soon. And those are going to be here very soon. And I can't wait for those either. Oh, I'm just so excited. But anyway, guys, yeah. Going to pick up a hood. I'll update you guys when we get to John's house. There she blows. The rig for today with Johnny Boy driving it. You already know. Right over. Oh, there was glass on your tire, so I was gonna try and take it off.
What?
Yeah, because you ran over a garbage bag and there was a glass bottle in it.
Where was it?
I think it's underneath it, literally like exactly on the ground right now. But yeah, there's Johnny.
Wait, are you filming that?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Reason why I can get my seat John ran over.
Keep going a little bit more. You're gonna have to go a little more.
Oh my.
I'll tell you when to stop. I'll tell you when. No, you gotta keep going. It was like completely underneath it. Yeah, yeah, that's it.
Where?
There's one right there. And there's a little bit in there.
Oh, fuck.
Alright, so a bit of an update. First we had to do some minor maintenance to John O's truck real quick. But that wasn't even an issue because I texted this person that we're going to pick up this hood from at 3:30 p.m. And I was like, hey, keep in mind we were texting about it for like the past 2 days. We texted this morning too. And so I was like, hey, is today at 6 okay? And she's like, just silent. She went mute and just decided that she didn't want to talk to me anymore. And I was like, that's like every relationship that I've ever had with a girl. And then out of nowhere, just 2 hours later, while we're sitting in John's driveway just waiting, she finally texts me back and is like, oh yeah, that's fine. And so it's fine. Now we're going up to get it, but got a 40-minute drive ahead of us. It's not, we've experienced worse. We drove like 10 hours to pick up my Z. Well, 4 hours there, 4 hours back, plus like the stops. And John actually drove 8 hours one way and 8 hours back to pick up his car. So
no. It was 9.5.
9.5. 9.5.
Delays. It was 11.
9.5. But yeah, plus the like
24-hour trip from Connecticut to Ohio.
Yeah. So we've been in this boat before. 45 minutes is nothing. We used to go 45 minutes pretty much every weekend to go see a movie or drive go-karts. So
driving just to spend money anyway.
Yeah. So it's not. Great. This is 45 minutes is nothing, but super excited. Black hood. 8 minutes, boys, until we get the hood.
In the hood.
And we're in the hood. Not really. This is the opposite of the hood. We're out in the boonies right now. I'm kind of scared.
We're about to see Kermit with a shotgun.
Yeah, we're about to. Yeah. It's gonna be like Red Dead Redemption. We're gonna have to fucking set up camp. But yeah, we're really close. So
eat a can of beans on the fire.
Yeah, we gotta replenish our health before we can buy the hood. Everywhere out here though, guys, it's honestly surprising. Like, it is the boonies, but every house out here is really nice. Like, not like extremely like expensive, but they're nice houses, and they all have like these like gates for them and everything, like that stone little passageway. That one's kind of well, put that guy on blast, but that one's pretty terrible. But
That's a beautiful property.
And yeah, beautiful property though, exactly. Guy got a Corvette in his driveway. Dang, it's nice out here. Alrighty, so here we are. There it is, baby. Look at that thing. That thing's beautiful, boys.
She ain't going for it.
And John just strapped it down. Well, I helped this time.
Yeah, it was horrible. That's not a good strap job. It's gonna move a little bit. It'll be good.
It's pretty heavy anyway, so I don't think it will move too much, but
It'll be good.
yeah, there she is. And even if it does move a little bit, that's okay. It's not like the best quality hood anyway. So, thank you. Thank you, man. Alright, so there we go. Hood is secured. Now we just gotta figure out a way to actually mount it onto my car because it's broken, but we'll get that sorted out eventually. We just have to probably kind of cut around the side so that it can latch onto the onto the latch, or worst case scenario, we take the latch from my old hood, cut it off, cut that latch off, weld it back on. That could be the best scenario, and that won't take too long anyway. I mean, it takes like 2 seconds. So, but yeah, super excited. Got the damn hood. Only $100 for that thing, guys. So I'm super stoked about that. That was really fast too. We show up, pick it up, put it in the truck, strap it down, and we're out of there.
That dude didn't talk much.
He didn't even say a word. Yeah, he pretty much was just like, yeah, picking up the hood. Yeah, you picking up the hood? Yeah, I am. All right. You pay for it yet? No. Here's $100. She said 100's fine. He's like, yeah.
Did you pay for it? Pre-order?
Yeah, pre-ordered the hood. I pre-ordered. Yeah, I wrote her a check. Sent her in the mail. But yeah, guys.
It'll be here in 2 business days.
Well, yeah, that's the. There's the hood. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna show you it when we get back. Way better. I'm gonna show you it like out and on the ground and everything like that. But it looks really nice. That's exactly what I wanted. Just a stock black hood. I didn't want any extra vents or anything like that. I just wanted the stock hood. And it does look good. If I ever get bored of the stock hood, I can keep my old hood and prepare that one and paint that one black. Because I don't mind the design on that one. It's just the paint on it is terrible, and I don't have the time or resources to paint it right now. So that's just gonna hold me over. My God! Oh my God, guys! Look how nice it looks with the front bumper on there. God, it looks so good. But yeah, now we just gotta go get my. John's yelling at me, man. Alrighty, boys, there she is in all her glory. Just literally just a stock black hood. Tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but maybe Thursday or something, I'll try and actually mount it. We have to cut some things because it's not gonna sit right, and so I'm gonna have to cut like a little bit around the latch in order to get it to sit right, which is gonna stink like farts on a Sunday afternoon, but it's okay because it'll get done, and it's gonna look a lot better than the hood I got on there now. So I can't wait. I'm stoked. Looks cool. Gonna take a little bit of work though. It's whatever. It's whatever.
Look at that.
Look at that hood, man. It looks amazing. But also look at this. This is the old bumper that came with the car. Way worse than the new bumper on the car, guys. Oh, that new bumper is beautiful. Let's go take a look at it, guys. Please. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
Yeah, it looks nice.
I want all of you to look at it. What is going on? Why is my hood up? Someone steal my engine? Nope. But yeah, that old hood is going bye-bye. New hood is going on. Yeah, it's gonna look amazing, guys. I can't wait. But yeah. Alright, let's get back in that shit. So that is the end of tonight's video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all the support recently. Like I said, that hood will be going on soon, so stay updated because that will be happening. Yeah. Oh, remember, SmoothStance hats, shirts, and shorts are coming soon. Stay updated. Those are coming out soon. Alright, boys? Alright? I'm counting on you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Das Vidania, and have a nice night.